Hello everyone. We are starting with a series of lectures on mathematics of quantum computing. Each lecture will contain 4 parts, an introduction to the subject, key concepts, we will explain how it works, and at the end we will do some practical example. So welcome to the first video in Mathematics of Quantum Computing series of lectures and tutorials. Today's topic will be an overview of mathematics of quantum computing topic. So without further ado, let's start right away. The first part will be the introduction. We will start with the introduction to mathematics of quantum computing by explaining what mathematics of quantum computing actually is, tell you few main definitions and present the chapters we are going to cover until the end of the video. So one of the fundamental concepts in mathematics of quantum computing is Fourier analysis. Fourier analysis is a method of defining periodic waveforms. The second part will be the key concepts. We will mention and explain all fundamental terms and concepts which are going to be covered in their own lecture, later in Mathematics of Quantum Computing playlist. For Mathematics of Quantum Computing, key terms are partial differential equations, number theory, Fourier analysis, Fourier transform. Then we will give a real-world example on how the concept works, including illustrations and explanation. For example, we will explain, animate, and illustrate how Fourier transform actually works. And at the end we will do some hands-on project, coding or math background, so you could get a practical meaning for the specific topic. For example, we will write and explain in details Fourier analysis. That would be all for now. See you soon with the next lecture. Please make sure you subscribe, click on that bell icon, so you could get notifications when we release new video, like, and comment on the video in case you want to share your thoughts or ask any questions. You can find all the details about this lecture in the description below. You can visit our official website, www.steamiac.com, where you will find the entire article about this topic, forum, where you can ask and answer questions and be a part of our growing community. You can also find the entire source code for any given topic, all video lectures and many more. So, see you soon with another lecture. Have a great day.